It would seem apparent that the winds would travel in straight lines. However, winds are actually deflected by the Coriolis effect, and that is due to the rotation of the Earth. Hence, winds in the north and southern hemispheres are actually deflected. So, notice that winds in the northern hemisphere deflected to the right, whereas in the southern hemisphere they are deflected to the left, so clockwise and anti-clockwise, respectively. Because we live on a water world, the Earth is covered with 2/3 water, and the oceans make up 70%. The heating of the Earth doesn't occur quite as much due to the high heat capacity of water. What does that mean? It takes a lot of heat for water to raise its temperature to 1 degree Celsius. Now, that is spread because of the high heat capacity of water. You have areas of high and low pressures, but nevertheless, you have certain currents that are important to move the surface water. So, because of this circulation, wind circulation of the surface currents are driven by these winds. Now, also affecting the oceans are areas of upwelling. Colder water sinks, but then there are a lot of nutrients in this cold water. So at particular times, you have upwelling, where deep ocean water rises to the surface, thus bringing the important nutrients that it has. So, for example, with the surface winds, notice areas of upwelling bring in lower temperature water up to the surface with its valuable nutrients. And thus, zooplankton feed on phytoplankton in the photic zone or the surface areas, and these become very productive areas in the ocean.